Hey there! Subscribe to D2P Auto Parts for practical UK car tips and reliable aftermarket car parts. Winter driving in the UK brings hidden risks, and, honestly, one of the most ignored is tyre pressure. As temperatures drop, tyre pressure drops too. Many UK drivers don't realise this until handling, braking, or fuel economy gets worse. For every 10 degrees Celsius drop in temperature, tyres can lose 1 to 2 psi. That means tyres that were fine in summer can become underinflated in winter without any puncture. Low tyre pressure reduces grip on wet and cold roads, increases braking distance, causes uneven tyre wear, and can even lead to MOT failure. Always check tyre pressure when tyres are cold, before driving or after the car has been parked for a few hours. Use a digital tyre gauge, an air compressor, or a petrol station inflator. Oh, and don't forget to check the correct PSI on the driver door sticker or in the owner's manual. In winter, check tyre pressure at least once a week. Do not rely only on the TPMS warning light. Check the spare tyre as well, especially before long journeys. Correct tyre pressure improves safety, saves fuel, and extends tyre life. Your tyres are the only part of your car that touches the road. Keeping them properly inflated in winter helps you stay in control and drive safely on UK roads.